What is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. This is definitely going to be a little bit different to what you're used to, and going to be a recap for a lot of you guys that have been long-time subscribers. But for anyone who's new and watching, hi, my name is Sam. I live here in Japan, and I'm super passionate about the drifting community and the car scene over here, and I like to showcase that on my channel with daily content. Now, all of that aside, I need to give you some very, very important context about how I acquired the S15 and how the whole thing came about. I'm about to show you some footage that shows the original owner driving and drifting the S15 at a competition in Japan called Gakudori. Now, if you know anything about your old option DVDs and things like that, there was a series they did called Doriten. And essentially this is footage from that, which even shows Okachan of Yashio Factory as one of the judges, and even Drift Samurai is in there. It's quite entertaining, and you'll get to see it in a little bit. But essentially, that is the first comp he won in the car, which then led to him being sponsored and competing in other competitions and things like that. From there, he actually decided when he was about to finish university that he was going to quit and give up on drifting entirely. And at that point, he wanted to focus on his profession in the, I guess, the medical area. He's a very famous, actually very famous doctor here in Japan. Yeah, anyways, all of that aside, he told Okachan he had accomplished his dream of winning some drifting competitions and no longer wanted to pursue a career in it. So he offered the car to Okachan at a very cheap price. And at that point, Okachan acquired it, and it sat in his storage yard for 10 years until you guys will see in the footage and what we did to it.
そして54番の不破君、東海大学、東海大学の
野球が強いところ、
よく知ってるそんなことね。
ドリフトも強いんだな。
はあ、それでは決勝戦行ってみたいと思います。どうぞ。はい、井上来た。おー、オラ来た。
オッケーラインだね。オッケーラインだね。
決めてきたね。オッケーオッケー。さて54番不破、それ学生らしさを出さないとね。飛び出してこいよお前も。よし、勝負し来い。
小さいな。小さい。多分あれアウトから抜かれちゃうぜ。車1台分ぐらい空いてますよね。
はい、皆さんお疲れ様でした。一応この後西地区がありますけど、東地区一応今日終わりました。これから結果発表。はい、優勝はゼッケン1番井上。
優勝は栃木出身の井上くんが東の
trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. No matter the distance I cover, you always there to smother. Please let me find another. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been running, running, running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask?
So there you guys go. That is my Yashio Factory Spec S15 build, all kind of compacted and summarized into one quick 10-minute-ish video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, but before we say anything else, I have to say a massive thank you to Okamura-san, aka Okachan of Yashio Factory. From when I first met him in 2015 to where I am now, it is absolutely unbelievable the amount of time, support, and teaching and effort that he has put into me, and I think it's finally starting to show. And just obviously the fact that he even offered this car to me to build it and to turn it into what it is now is just completely mind-blowing. I really hope you guys can kind of understand like how grateful and thankful I am to him. He really has taken me under his wing, and literally all of this would not be possible without him, and probably including this channel. All of that aside, I hope you really enjoyed. If you're watching this for the first time, definitely subscribe. Some really cool videos coming, and just the direction of the channel, I really feel like it's the tip of the iceberg, guys. I've enjoyed the last 6 months. I hope you have too. With that, smash that like, write us a comment, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Jamata.